600. How's your day?
Okay po.
Thank you very much for making business. Hi there guys and girls. One lovely morning to each every one of you. 600. This should be 620 but she doesn't have 20 peso paper bills. Thank you Lord for these wonderful blessings. Day 168 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own. Not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, angry, disappointed, or whatever ill feelings that you will have. Your dreams will not prosper and will not push through, okay? Beware and be aware. Afterwards, expand and enjoy. Save for now. Bye for now. Save, save, save. Earn, earn, earn.